And what's up everybody, welcome back to yet another video. In this video we will be creating an account on Dall-E 2. So let's go ahead and inside Google search for Dall-E 2. Here you can see that this is also a project of OpenAI, just like ChatGPT. I'll just click over here. We are inside this website. Let's click try Dall-E 2. So here you can see you can log in with your Google account, continue with Google, and then you can click on your Google account. Okay, write down your name and click continue. Here you need to write your phone number and send code via SMS, and after doing this you will be entering inside Dall-E 2. I'll just write my phone number and verify this. So you can see we are inside Dall-E 2, and in the next video I will show you how to use Dall-E 2 to create stunning images.